Today, we are going to talk about the most dangerous animals on the Indian subcontinent. You might think of lions or tigers, but the real danger comes from poisonous snakes. In India, more than 20,000 people are bitten by venomous snakes every year. Sadly, about 15,000 people die annually due to snake bites. This happens mostly because people do not know how to prevent snake bites or get proper medical treatment on time. Let us understand this with a real-life example. In August 1981, a 25-year-old farmer named Tengal Kamal was working barefoot in his field near Mumbai. Suddenly, he felt a sharp pain on his foot. He saw two tiny bite marks near his ankle and realized it was a snake bite. He tied a rope above his knee and was taken to a local doctor. Unfortunately, the doctor did not know about anti-snake venom and gave him only painkillers. After a few hours, Kamal became very sick. His legs swelled, he felt dizzy, and blood started coming out. He was rushed to a big hospital, where doctors gave him anti-venom and blood transfusions. After many days of treatment, Kamal finally survived. This shows how dangerous snake bites can be if treatment is delayed. Types of dangerous snakes in India. India has over 200 species of snakes, but only about 50 are venomous. Out of them, 4 snakes are extremely dangerous. Russell's viper, saw-scaled viper, Indian cobra, common krait. These snakes are found all over India, from deserts to forests and villages. Russell's viper. Russell's viper is thick-bodied and brown in color. It has long fangs and injects a large amount of venom. It is even more dangerous than the cobra. Indian cobra. The Indian cobra is easy to recognize by the spectacle mark on its hood. It lives in holes, under stones, or logs. Its venom is 3 times more toxic than that of Russell's viper. Common krait. The common krait is very poisonous but shy and quiet. It is bluish-black with white bands. Its venom is even more toxic than the cobra's venom. Snake behavior. Most snakes are not aggressive. They are shy and usually come out at night. They bite humans only when stepped on or disturbed. Prevention tips. We can reduce snake bites by following simple precautions. Wear shoes and long trousers. Carry a torch at night, electric torch. Beat the ground with a stick while walking. Keep homes rat-free, as snakes come for rats. Be extra careful during the monsoon season. Conclusion. So remember, snakes are dangerous, but with awareness and care, many snake bites can be prevented. Always seek immediate medical help in case of a snake bite.